Shanuka Priya. I'm studying 5th class in Krishnaveni High School, Undavelli.
Earth.
Earth, E-A-R-T-H, Earth.
Science.
C-S-I-S-I-N-E-N-C-E.
Biology.
Biology. B-I-O-L-O-G-Y.
Chemistry.
C-H-E-M-I-S-T-R-Y.
Physics.
Physics. P-H-Y-C-I-S-E-S.
Environment.
Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T.
Ecosystem.
E-C-O-S-Y-S-E-T-E-M.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jashmita.
Habitat.
Habitat.
Health.
Halth.
Hygiene.
Hygine.
Pollution.
Pyllution.
Cell.
Scell.
Organ.
Organ.
System.
System.
Next. Science.
My name is Vaishnavi. I'm studying in 5th class. C-E
Wrong. Biology.
B-E-B-I-B-I-H-H
Wrong. Light.
L-I-O-O-C.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajina. I am studying 5th class.
Science.
SCIEN Science.
Biology.
BIOLGY.
Chemistry.
CHEMPHSICS.
Wrong. Habitat.
HELI.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divya.
Health.
HEALTH.
Solar.
SOLAR.
Energy.
ENERGY.
Force.
FORCE.
Motion.
MOTION.
Gravity.
GRAVITY.
Light.
LIGHT. Light.
Sound.
SOUND.
Water.
WATER.
Climate.
CLIMATE.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Madhupriya. I am studying in 5th class in Krishnaveni High School.
Earth.
EARTH.
Energy.
ENERGY.
Planet.
PLANET. LAXY.
Space.
SPACE.
Sound.
SOUND.
Water.
WATER.
Weather.
WEATHER.
Cell.
CELL.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Monica. I am studying 5th class.
Health.
HEALTH.
Hygiene.
HYGIENNG.
Pollution.
POLLUTION.
Conservation.
CONSERVATION.
Organism.
ORANGSISM.
Cell.
SCELL.
Tissue.
TISSUF.
Force.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Brindavani.
Water.
WATER.
Light.
LIGHT.
Gravity.
GRAVITY.
Sound.
SOUND.
Science.
SCIENCE. SCIS. CHEMIST.
Doctor.
Diversity OR.
Hospital.
HOSP. CLIMATE.
Physicist.
PHYS.